Creating your own candles at home is a wonderful way to bring warmth and fragrance to your living space. It's easier than you might think, and it allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring an eco-friendly and personalized touch. Store-bought candles can be expensive and often contain chemicals that you might prefer to avoid. By making your own candles, you can choose natural and sustainable materials that are better for you and the environment. DIY candle making is also an enjoyable and rewarding hobby. It's a chance to tap into your creative side and craft something beautiful and useful with your own hands. Plus, you can customize your candles to perfectly match your decor and preferences. Whether you prefer a vibrant emerald green or a subtle sage hue, the possibilities are endless. Before you begin your candle-making journey, you'll need to gather a few essential supplies. Don't worry, most of these items are readily available online or at your local craft store. First and foremost, you'll need soy wax, a natural and renewable alternative to traditional paraffin wax. Soy wax burns cleanly and releases less soot, making it a healthier choice for your home. Next, you'll need cotton wicks, which are both sustainable and provide a consistent burn. For your containers, consider repurposing glass jars or tins that you already have at home. This is a great way to reduce waste and give new life to old items. To achieve that beautiful green hue, you'll need natural dyes like spirulina powder or spinach powder. And lastly, for a touch of aromatherapy, consider adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils, such as lavender or pine. Now that you have your supplies, it's time to start crafting your green candles. Begin by preparing your workspace. Cover your work surface with parchment paper or newspaper to protect it from any spills. Next, fill a large pot with a few inches of water and bring it to a simmer. Place your soy wax flakes in a heat-safe glass measuring cup or pouring pitcher and set it inside the pot, creating a double boiler system. As the wax melts, you can prepare your containers. Secure your cotton wicks to the bottom of each container using a dab of hot glue or a wick sticker. Once the wax is fully melted, carefully add your natural green dye a little at a time, stirring gently until you achieve your desired shade. If you're using essential oils, add them now, just a few drops at a time. Pouring the wax is the most exciting part. Carefully pour the melted wax into your prepared containers, leaving about half an inch of space at the top. Allow the candles to cool and harden completely in a draft-free area. This may take several hours or overnight. Once the candles are fully set, trim the wicks to about 1/4 of an inch. Remember to always practice candle safety. Never leave melting wax unattended, and keep candles away from flammable materials. Supervise burning candles and extinguish them before they burn all the way down. Now that you know the basics, let your creativity shine. Experiment with different shades of green, add dried flowers or herbs for a touch of nature, or create unique textures using molds or carving tools. Share your creations and inspire others to embrace the joy of DIY green candles. Don't forget to leave a comment about your candle making experience and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thank you for watching.